Good morning and welcome. It's Jilly Cube, and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour today using the pre-made paints called Boom Gel Stain. You don't have to add anything or take away anything. They're a pre-made paint, and you only use a small amount of this particular paint. It's been, I think, developed. I'm not sure if it was solely for the creating the bloom effect, but without having to do any of the paint mixture, so on and so forth. So it's just a like a no-brainer's way of doing a bloom effect. So that's what well, you'll see what I'm going to do. It's got a bit of a twist in it. So what I'm doing to begin with is just coating my paint with a normal acrylic. This is just my normal global impasto white paint with the pouring medium that I normally use. If you want to know the pouring medium and the recipe, it's in the drop down box, as is videos to the making of pouring medium and so on. So that's all there. I'm just coating the canvas here, ready to pour on my Boom Gel Stain. And yeah, I'll let you watch the colours be layered, and I will jump in if I feel I need to. Happy with how this one's turned out. So let the drying gods be with me and it dry perfectly, because it's just really lovely. So now I want to try with a different colour background and different colours in the boom gel. So very happy with those. If you're interested in the boom gel, they sell them pretty much in every country, I believe now. In Australia, you can get them from the link down below at Capriol Creative. And I believe there is a US distributor. I'm just not quite sure who or where that is, but I'm really happy with that, and I hope you like it too. So I'll be back again tomorrow.
Wow. How gorgeous is this? How easy was it? No brainer. Didn't have to think about mixing colours, mixing paint, should I say. And it is just gorgeous. Simple, but elegant. I love it. It looks really lovely on the round. There you go. I've left negative space, which is very good for me, very good. And I just love it. I love the colours.
I'm happy, Jen. I hope you all like that. It's a nice, simple painting, but it's very pleasant. I like it. I hope you do too. So until tomorrow, it will be bye for now.